Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 4 of second grade worksheet, and let's get right into it. Okay, comparing addition. Compare, put greater than, less than, or equal to in the blank. Example, 2 plus 2, blank, and 3 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4, and 3 plus 2 equals 5. And which number is greater, 4 or 5? 5 is greater, so we are going to put the greater sign opening towards 5, like this. So, in the end, 2 plus 2 is less than 3 plus 2. And 4 is less than 5, so 2 plus 2 is less than 3 plus 2. Let's look at number 1. 7 plus 6, blank, and 14. Well, on the right side, we already have the number 14, so let's add up 7 plus 6, which is 13, and which is greater, 13 or 14? 14 is the greater number, so we are going to draw the symbol opening towards 14, and that shows that 14 is the bigger number. Let's try number 2. 25, blank, and 12 plus 13. 25 is already there, so let's just solve for 12 plus 13. And 12 plus 13 equals 25. It's 25 and 25, and they're the same number, so they are equal to each other. So you're going to put the equal sign. Now let's try number 4. 2 plus 5, blank, and 1 plus 7. Let's add both of those up. 2 plus 5 equals 7, and 1 plus 7 equals 8. So 8 is the greater number, so we are going to put the sign opening towards the 8. Let's move on to the next page. Alright, now this is the same thing, but we're going to be subtracting instead, so let's look at the example first. 3 minus 2, blank, and 4 minus 3. Like before, we are going to solve, but this is subtraction. So 3 minus 2 equals 1. And 4 minus 3 also equals 1. So they will be equal to each other, like this. So in the end, 3 minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 3. Let's look at number 1. 4, blank, 9 minus 6. Let's solve for 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 equals 3. And comparing 4 and 3, 4 is greater, so the sign will be opening towards 4 because 4 is greater than 3. Let's look at number 2. 10 minus 4, blank, and 6. Let's solve for 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 6 and 6 are the same number and they're equal to each other, so you will put the equal sign. So 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Let's take a look at number 6. 14 minus 7, blank, 20 minus 14. Let's solve for both sides. 14 minus 7 equals 7. And 20 minus 14 equals 6. And looking at 7 and 6, 7 is greater, so the sign will be opening towards 14 minus 7. So 14 minus 7 is greater than 20 minus 14 because this equaled 7 and this equaled 6. Let's do number 7. 18 minus 4, blank, 14 minus 1. Let's solve. 18 minus 4 equals 14. And 14 minus 1 equals 13. Which number is greater? 14 is the greater number, so the sign will open towards that way. So 18 minus 4 is greater than 14 minus 1 because 14 is greater than 13. Now let's try number 9. 8 plus 9, blank, 21 minus 4. Let's solve. 8 plus 9 equals 17. And 21 minus 4 equals 17. They are both equal to each other, 17 and 17, so you write the equal sign. 8 plus 9 is equal to 21 minus 4. Next page. Now we'll be looking at number lines and filling in the blank number. Let's look at the example. There's a 10 right here, so the 10 is on this point of the number line, and 12 is on this point of the number line. We are trying to see what number is at this point. It's a question mark. So we're trying to find what this point is. 11 is the number that's between 10 and 12. So the missing number at this question mark was 11 because there's 10, 11, then 12. You're just counting up. 10, 11, 12. And the number in between 10 and 12 has to be 11. Okay, number 1. We're looking to find what this blank spot is. So on the left we have 83, and on the right we have 85. Let's count from 83 to 85. 83, 84, 85. So in between those two numbers, 84 would be the correct answer. Let's look at number 2. Now we're looking for this blank spot right here. Let's count from 38 and 39 in the next number. So 38, 39, and what's the next number? 40. So you'll just write 40 right there. And number 3, now we're looking for this blank spot. And after that, we have 91 and 92 in front. Let's count backwards. We have 92, 91, and subtract one more, which is 90. Next page. Now let's look at some word problems. Number 1. Tommy originally had 12 cents. Then he earned 6 cents more. Maria had 11 cents and later earned 9 cents more. Who has more money? Alright, let's look at Tommy first. Tommy said he had 12 cents and then later he earned 6 cents more. So let's add 6, which equals 18 cents. So Tommy had 18 cents. Now let's look at Mariah. Mariah had 11 cents and later earned 9 more. So we're going to add 9. So 11 plus 9 equals 20. So Mariah had 20 cents. And the question was, who has more money? And comparing 18, Tommy has 18 cents, Mariah has 20 cents. 20 is greater, so Mariah has more money. Alright, let's look at number 3. A student is looking at a number line. In the number line, there is a blank between 47 and 49. What number should the student write in the blank? Alright, let's draw a number line. So there's a number line, and there's a blank between 47 and 49. So there's a blank right here, and 47 is right here, and 49 is right here. Let's count from 47 to 49 to find what the number in the blank would be. 47, 48, and 49. So 48 is the number in between 47 and 49. So what number should the student write in the blank? Would be 48. Let's look at number 4. You want to play the piano for 10 minutes. You have played for 6 minutes. How many more minutes will you play? Okay, so in total you want to play the piano for 10 minutes, but you've already played for 6 minutes. So how much more are you going to play? So the total was 10, and you've already played 6, so let's subtract 6 from 10 to find the remaining time. So 10 minus 6 equals 4, so you have 4 more minutes to play. Alright guys, good job today. That is it for this week's lesson. You can go back and try the questions we didn't do together on your own, and I'll see you guys next week.